Welcome back to the Priceless Pearl Life with me, Katrina. And you already know what today is. It's my 1-year anniversary here on YouTube. So, I will be back at the end of the video to chat with you a little bit more. But right now, grab something to drink, some cake if you have it, and let's go to my remake of my very first YouTube Tablescape. And just like I did 1 year ago on my initial YouTube Tablescape, I'm going to start off with my cleaning. But this time, because it's my anniversary, I'm adding a few extra touches to this one. I purchased these window treatments from Amazon, and of course they are budget friendly, and I love the aesthetic that it gives in my space. If you have not seen my living room refresh and makeover, make sure you watch that video at the conclusion of this one. I'm sure you're going to love it as well. Young YouTubers like myself need your help in pushing our videos out to more YouTube watchers. So your thumbs up and your comments help us in those efforts. So consider leaving me a comment right now. Thanks. Thank you so very much. This tablecloth is, it is so beautiful, and it is an Amazon find. So my mom knew I wanted to recreate my first YouTube video on my first anniversary, and she purchased these beauties for me from Tuesday morning for $3.99 each. I promise you, I have the best mom in the world. These monogram glasses, along with the picture, are over 30 years old, and my family, we absolutely love them for special tablescapes. Thank you so much for those of you who have been with me since the beginning of my YouTube channel. And if you're just coming on board, I'm grateful to you as well for hitting that subscription, hitting that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. If you're new here, welcome, and let me introduce myself to you. My name is Katrina. I'm a sister, a daughter, a pastor, and a Tar Heel basketball fan. On my channel, I love sharing my lifestyle, which includes home decor, vlogs, shopping hauls, cooking, baking, and a little more. Make sure you take this opportunity to become a part of my Priceless Pearl Life family. And to all of my loyal subscribers, you know what I say. One big hug from me to you. I need to replace that light bulb. Videos are posted on Tuesdays and Friday at 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And of course, I sprinkle extra videos often in between those time frames. Make sure you like, you share, you subscribe, and that your post notification bell is set to all. That's ALL, so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. Let's stay connected on all of my social media platforms, so check my description box below to follow me here, there, and everywhere. I'm excited about what the future holds, and I know that you will be here with me along the way. So again, 1 year, it's already in the books. And if you're going to celebrate, then you have to eat cake. That's pretty good. Well, I'll see you soon. Stay safe, stay blessed, and you are absolutely priceless. I'll see you in my next video.